Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I'm really excited to announce the winner for the Stack It collab. This was so much fun, and hopefully you had fun participating in the collaboration as well. Before I announce the winner, I'd like to thank the hosts, Tiffany McGill from Crafting Like a Boss and Brittanee Bentley from BBz Kraftz. Thank you so much for inviting me to participate. I had a lot of fun, and it was also wonderful to meet the other designers. And last but not least, I'd like to thank my new and existing subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me and leaving your wonderful and encouraging comments. I really enjoy it. My giveaway is the Stacked Book Desk Organizer. I had so much fun making this. If you are not the lucky winner of this prize, don't worry. I've included a link to my tutorial for this project so you can make it at your leisure. As a reminder, this is what my Stacked Book Desk Organizer looks like. I had so much fun creating this project, and hopefully the winner will enjoy it as well. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's meet our winner. To select the winner, I used YouTube Random Comment Generator. And the winner is Solo Crafts. Once again, the winner is Solo Crafts. That's Denise from Solo Crafts. She said, "So beautiful, that would make a great Happy Mail gift." Denise, please contact me within 72 hours to claim your prize. I will be sure to include my contact information in the description box below. Congratulations. Thanks for watching and participating in the Stack It collab. Hopefully you had as much fun as I did. Please be sure to check out the other designers in this collaboration. I have included the links in the description box below. Many of the channels will be hosting their own giveaways, however the details will vary by channel. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, happy crafting, and happy holidays.